How to turn off online status on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to turn off your online status on Instagram, what you're gonna do is first simply open Instagram on your device. Then open your profile. After that, in the top right corner of your screen, you can see a 3-bar option. Click on it. Then you will be directed to settings and activity. From here, scroll a bit down. Then in the how others can interact with you, you can see the first option which says messages and story replies. Click on it. Then over here in who can see your online, in the first option you can see show activity status. Click on it. And as you can see, my activity status is turned on. So if you click over here, it will be turned off. Then other people cannot see if you're active or when you are active. So this is how you can turn on active status on your Instagram. So thank you for watching till the end of the video. Hope you liked it and see you in the next video.